Hi guys, another month fast, so I just thought I'd do you another video. So as you can see, our lovely flowers are coming out now. Spring is definitely in full flow. Not a huge amount changed up here, apart from it's looking a lot greener than it was before. We've been busy in the greenhouses this year, sort of planting tomatoes, chilies, peppers and garlic. So it's a bit further up. I'll show you the hop farm, that's a lot of fun. Still got a lot of wood to tidy up, nothing's changed there. The leaves are still yet to fully come out, but I think they will be over the next few weeks as we approach into May. Woody's daily battle with the elements. We've just had a big downpour, so the river is overflowing at the moment slightly. Nothing we can't handle, we're used to it. That's Shana, she has a couple of horses down on the lower field. Oh, what it? So our lovely tractor is still out of action, which is a little bit annoying, but we'll get it running. I think it's an electrical issue with starter motor issue, but she's an old one, so here's a farm 1 month later, looking very well. Taking the geodam down temporarily, going to convert that into a small garage for the quad and my equipment, but we're going to build a new geodome which is going to be bigger and stronger. As you can see, we've got the strings up, so it's now looking like a proper hop yard. Let me just put this over here, relatively important. My woodshed roof didn't last the wind, so I need to look at redesigning that. So we've just had a huge downpour, so things should over the next few days grow quite rapidly, but as you can see here, our hop plant all looking very healthy. But I think our main battle is keeping the grass back, making sure weeds don't take over, but once they get to a certain height about here, I've just brought I purchased a flamethrower, which the idea will be go up and down with a torch and burn away these sort of small bits. So yeah, as I said, our next job will be to basically string our little fellas, or ladies I should say, they're all female plants, up and train them up, sort of thing. So I'm going to do pick two healthy growths, root shoots, and then trim back the rest so all the energy is concentrated up instead of growing a big bush. So yeah, things are going well. So the last couple of weeks we've obviously put all the strings in. The concept is, like before, we can let them loose by just unhooking there and the whole thing will drop. We've got the lower cable here to obviously tie it back, just to save money really on pegs. I mean, quite a large farm gets quite costly on things in the hundreds. So the good thing about this is if we ever upgrade to using a watering system, what do they call it, hydroponics, or oops, big one there, that we can fit the watering system onto here. It'll drip feed, irrigation is the word, of course, irrigation system onto here, and it'll drip feed down on here. So yeah, not too sure how it works, but you know, it will, the weight will pull it down. But I think once the hops are going up there, they will be quite self-supportive. So we're quite happy, but it's a learning curve, as everything is these days, and we'll see if it works or not. But as you see, we've got some really good growth, really exciting times. So hopefully after this rainfall we'll start tying these bad boys up and let them shoot up. Let's give it a bit more growth time. So we've got, on our lower, got 5 types of hops here, which is Galania. This one is Nugget. That one's a bit of Columbus, but also Bramling Cross. And then cross, we're going to have Chinook. So here is, I don't know if I showed you last time, our hopefully not failed project for the 2018, but this is the sad story of the weather conditions. And the idea was to drill holes into the ground with the borer and then fill up back in with lovely loose soil, but we had an absolute torrential 3 weeks of rain, which I feel that might have filled the pots up and drowned the hops. So I don't know if it's a waiting game or whether anything will come up. So the idea is we've got 200 plants here, which I painstakingly planted over the last month. As you can see, none of these are showing, but it has only been a month, so there's still hope. I'll see if I can find one that has actually grown. Oh, look, there's one. So you can see here, I don't know if you see that, there is life and it has some worked, but as you can see, empty, 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 which is quite depressing, but more financially depressing than the results, but you learn. I think there's a few more at the top. Where are we? We've got a few growths down here. Oh, there's another one. So they're all sporadic, so I don't know if it's to... Do we think positively? I think the others are in bed waiting for the right moment to pop up, or if to forget about it and move on. Anyway, so a good aerial shot of what's going on. It's sort of really coming together nicely. Over there on the flat bit we are going to have our new geodome. It's going to be made out of 2x3, a lot more stronger and supportive, and hopefully we'll be able to skin that one a lot easier than the one we made before. I think we just created a monster. So, you see the blossom on the apple trees are coming out, which is good. But yeah, difference a month makes. Been busy on Bob's quad and the lawnmower, which has made a huge difference.